everywhere. They used to be, can you imagine before they were restricted? They must have had gonna smoke. We bought some tobacco in Bali. Oh, look, he's gonna give me one. Thank you. She. He said, "You don't have to smoke that crappy one." Oh, thank you very much. Cool. We have a light too. It's our friends. Sharing cigarettes in China with our buddy. Hey, gray hair. Someone's got it. Those both got it. Fashionistas. Hi. You're cutting that. Don't mess with this guy. He's got a machete. Pineapple on a stick. Yum, yum, yum. Wow. So Chinese. Cute shop though. Oh, stilettos. Baby, baby, baby. Cute. Well, I ate almost the whole thing, so hopefully I won't get a tummy ache from it. It definitely tastes a little weird. Some vegetables, all kinds of mushrooms, meat, oh, and some squid. Wow, and then she cooks it right there. Hi. This one, he's got mushrooms, little baby eggs. Some snail. This fish. Oh, it's yam. It's potato. Wow. How much? How much? 5? Let's see if I have enough. Okay, I bought it. Let's see what it's like here. It's a yam. And it's got, I don't know what kind of oil. Who knows? Here goes, I'm going to bite it. Kind of boring. Boring. Any sauce? Put the sauce on it? A little bit. A little bit. Try. Okay. A little bit on this one. Yeah. On this one. Perfect. Thank you, Shishi. That's good. Looks good though. Look at this one. What do you got? Wow. That looks good. It's my daughter here. This is pretty good, Jay. No. It's just a yam. I like it.
I'm going to make a dingleberry for my phone.
Oh.
Yeah. So, it's 2 yen per beef.
Same place we were earlier, and it's now 6:05. So they changed it up, and at night, it becomes a big market with everything you ever imagine. Or actually, everything you never imagined. It's crazy. Different kinds of everything. It all smells so weird. There's the tree. So everybody's cooking everything. Wow.
Let's go down this path.
Oh, smells. Crazy smells. Look at that. they are.
How long?